Pyramid. Pyramid is still a mystery for the modern day archaeologist and scientist. Still, some says that it was designed and built by alien or some magical powers because this is probably beyond the capacity of human beings. In this segment, I am going to discuss about some mysterious, historical and scientific fact about the Great Pyramid of Giza. So stay tuned and keep watching. Let's get started. The transcontinental nation Egypt spans from the northwest corner of Africa to the southwest corner of Asia, and the Great Pyramid complex is found at Giza on the outskirts of Cairo, the capital of Egypt. There are a number of pyramids in Egypt, among them the Pyramid of Menkaure, the Pyramid of Khafre, and the Pyramid of Khufu are the most mysterious historical pyramid of the world. The Pyramid of Menkaure is the smallest among the three pyramids of Giza. The height of the pyramid is approximately 65 meters and was built by limestone and core granite. And volume of the pyramid is 2,35,183 cubic meter. The Pyramid of Khafre, the second tallest and largest among the three pyramids of Giza. The height of the Khafre pyramid is 136.4 meter and the volume is 22,11,096 cubic meter. The Pyramid of Khufu. The Pyramid of Khufu is the tallest and highest among the three great pyramids of Giza. The height of Khufu is 146.7 meter and the volume is 25,83,283 cubic meter. Egyptologists believe that the pyramid was built as a tomb of the 4th dynasty Egyptian pharaoh Khufu. It takes over than 20 years to build the Egyptian pyramid. After the place was decided by Khufu, it was the time to get all the ingredients to that location by which the pyramid is going to build. And all the responsibility of building the great structure was on the second powerful man in Egypt, the Vizier. Khufu's Vizier was Hameneu. So all the credit of building the pyramid complex is going to the Vizier. Though it has not any proof, but it is said that the pyramid was made to keep the mummy of the king and queen safely. But till now, after a lot of research, the number of mummy found in the pyramid is 0. Scientists says that the building of the pyramid is based upon a theory, and the theory is said to be Orion correlation theory or Giza Orion correlation theory. This theory posits that there is a correlation between the location of the three pyramids of Giza and the Orion belt of the constellation Orion. And due to this theory, the three pyramids are aligned with three constellations of the solar system. The Egyptian desert is near to the pyramid of Giza, so the temperature in this site is higher as always. But inside the pyramid, the temperature is 20 degrees Celsius, which is constant and said to be the comfortable place of the universe. People thought that the tunnel in the pyramid are made for ventilation. But when a robot was sent, It found the tunnel was closed inside. There are three discovered chambers in the pyramid. At the top of the pyramid, there is king's chamber. At middle, there is queen's chamber, and on the base, there is base chamber. The way to enter the chamber of kings has connected the both queen and base chamber. So one can explore the three chambers by entering through the king's chamber. And the theory which was associated with the building of the pyramid is still a mystery for the scientists.